Hi, this is Master Ken. Now, if you have a folder, let's say it's a sales folder, and inside there are several files, yearly sales, and you want to open each file and read the content in it. So you can double click it and copy certain value for each file. Or you can use the macro to help you to do that. Now what I mean is this: you have a folder and open it, and this is the code, and this is a tested code. I have tested it, it works, so you don't have to waste time to fix the bugs. And let's see. Now take a look at here. um, okay, so basically I use the function key F8, put the insertion cursor here, and I press the function key F8 to run the code line by line to let you see what is going on. So as you can see here, it's now entering the do loop, a do while loop. So it's checking the file name one by one and open the workbook. So that's the code for open the workbook. And for each of the worksheets in the active workbook is now checking. So they're using the for each loop. And for now, it's just set the first the header into a range. Nothing is done. And then once it's done, we close, and now it go to the next file. Okay, as you can see, that's now reading the second file, which is 2018. And go to open the workbook again, and each. Again, do the same thing, close the workbook, and do the same thing, close the workbook, and finally, it's loop every file, and it ends the do while loop. And beautiful. And I have write a more comments into this. So as you can see, if there's a comment, it's easier to read. So this basically repeat. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.